everyone, check this out. This is the Uber Eats checkout screen with a promo code already applied, and as you can see, I'm saving a lot on this order right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find and apply working Uber Eats promo codes so you can start saving money on your food delivery. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head straight to your Google search and search for the word iProList. I will add the correct spelling somewhere on this video. The next thing you need to do is click on the first search result. Once you are on the website, you need to click on Uber Eats. Ignore other platforms since this video is only about Uber Eats. On the next page, you need to click on the Get button and then wait for a few seconds for it to generate your promo code for you. Once your promo code is generated, all you have to do is reveal the code and then click the copy button. Then you just have to head straight to your Uber Eats checkout and apply the code. If this video saved you some money on Uber Eats, I'd really appreciate if you could smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.